Greetings from Hastings Catholic Schools. I am Holly Sabatka, Executive Director of Foundation, and I want to welcome you to the new front entrance and office addition here at St. Cecilia Middle and High School. We are counting the weeks until our students and teachers make their full return and will utilize our new front entrance, office addition, science room, hawk walk, remodeled art classroom, and expanded library with computer lab. If you have followed along with our updates over the past 22 months, you have seen us close Kansas Avenue and our students moving us out of the school. We extended our parking lot towards the west and the new school front entrance addition, which will now have a drop-off lane and front courtyard space. You have seen us moving out of the high school wing in May of 2022, a full remodel that lasted a year, and you saw our students returning to the South High School wing in August of 2023 for classes. You have seen us moving out of the West Middle School wing in May of 2023, a remodel over the summer months with our middle school students returning to the classrooms in August of 2023. We have also shared weekly construction updates from the new addition, Our Lady Chapel, and the 2-story Hawk Walk, and all the new windows bringing light to our school days. This week, we are anxiously awaiting the completion of the new school elevator installation. We are making plans for a Hastings Catholic Schools and Community of Hastings celebration, projected for later May or early June. The bishop will be here to officially dedicate Our Lady Chapel, and we will hold the ribbon cutting for the new addition, and the entire school will be open up for tours in a community celebration, celebrating our 2 years of hard work and nearly a decade of planning and prayers, which has made this project possible. Students and employees will move offices and classrooms for the final time, and we will be able to fully enjoy our new school. Final details on the school dedication will be coming soon. We are working to complete our campaign donor wall that will be displayed just inside our main entrance. This will include all the names of our campaign donors who supported this project. The St. Cecilia Alumni donor wall will be in the main hallway of the South High School wing, honoring all our SDC alumni that walked through these halls and stepped up to make this project a reality. Today, for the final time, I'm asking you for your financial support of Our Faith, Our Future, Our Time capital campaign. As you know, we've had an increase of 20% of construction costs, and we would love to not have to borrow any additional money and to pay off our final expenses with your donation or campaign pledge. I am asking you to step forward with a donation or pledge to help us complete the funding of this project. If you have not had the opportunity to do so before, I ask for your donation and support today. If you have made a pledge, would you consider extending your payments for 1 additional year? St. Cecilia alumni, you still have the opportunity to participate in the Dinsdale Automotive Alumni Mile to a Million Challenge with a $1,000 donation or pledge. You can make your donation online at hastingscatholicschools.org or by contacting the Hastings Catholic Schools Nevervee Center. Our contact information can be found online. We are sincerely grateful for your support, and we do not take your generosity for granted. Thank you for your prayers, your love of our students and school, and for making a financial commitment to complete this project together.